Today's special. Not only do I have delicious recipe for you, but I also have secret to make your life easier. Have you ever wished your ingredients could magically appear? With Anyfeast? They probably do. Order now to unlock 20% discount. Don't miss out. So let's see the ingredients first. Any bread of your choice, pizza sauce, some salt, cooking oil, Italian seasoning and oregano, cherry tomatoes, chopped onion, mozzarella cheese, oyster mushrooms, lettuce for garnishing. Let's start by sauteing oyster mushroom. We will cut them. It's your choice to keep them in small or big chunks. Take 1 tablespoon of olive oil and add the mushrooms. Now saute them on low to medium flame. Add some seasoning and set them aside. Next, take a bread slice and shape it. Now take a slice and apply olive oil on one side and flip it. On the other side, spread pizza sauce and top it up with mushroom, tomatoes and onion. Season with oregano and mixed herbs. Add lots of cheese and it's ready to bake. You can bake it in the oven or in a pan like this. Keep the flame low and cook until the bread turns golden and cheesecake melts. Once ready, remove from the heat. Look at the cheese melt. Oh god, it looks so delicious. It tastes wonderful. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Do try and let me know.